We made it to Aspen, drove 3.5 hours today, then I made some dinner, and now we're gonna go walk around town. We're walking into some fancy sport shops.
Got a chain?
Yeah, try it on.
No.
Just a little bit. That store has every douchebag backpack that I like. And now we're looking at dinosaurs. And now coffee. This kind of tastes like tea. It's super sour. Try it, Dad.
I don't know if sour is good. No.
No. It's gross.
The girl was really nice, but she gave me a beer and then she asked if I wanted ice with it. She said in her country they drink it with ice.
I think that coffee I had was like literally just shots of espresso, no like water. That's what's in an Americano. But now my face is like so dry. My mouth is so dry and I have like an adrenaline rush or something, some kind of rush, but we're gonna go hot tub. Now it's 9 o'clock. We made it back from the hot tub. Having some tofu and some corn. And then we're gonna watch a movie. Redbox. The Equalizer.
Oh, did somebody steal their speakers and then they got those?
I think it's plugged in.
There's a cord hanging behind the TV.
Who would unplug it? Are you gonna plug it in?
Well, yeah. Piece of cake, man. Wow, look. Power stripped up. Nothing plugged in it. $5 computer speakers aren't even plugged in nothing. Stupid.
Attempt number 2.
Gotta fix this ugly thing.
Do you think it's plugged into the TV?
As far as I can tell, it's hooked to nothing.
What's hooked to nothing?
That's just sitting there. On input.
Where?
I don't know where. No, that's the wrong remote. That's for the receiver that doesn't do anything.
Oh, is that right? Remote.
Cord's dangling back here. Okay, so what comes off of this? HDMI. No, it's a small HDMI. Can you see it back there?
What color is it?
It's black.
Are you moving it?
Yeah.
No.
Are these speakers? There's speakers right here.
Oh my god.
Okay. Volume, DVD. Do you see the inputs? Like the HDMI input? We gotta figure out if this Blu-ray cable goes...
We're having some technical difficulties.
You got 2 ins to the amp, no outs. So now, we've got this hideous wire here. Sure that nobody's gonna be able to deal with that.
We got it set up. Now we're gonna watch it. Then we're gonna go to bed. And then we're gonna ski tomorrow. We ended up falling asleep on the couch at about 11. Woke up at 1 and moved to bed. Now it's 6 o'clock and I'm gonna go work out. There's too many people in the gym to video, but he joined me. Now we're going back to get ready for skiing. We showered and put on our ski clothes. Now we're gonna go out. I'm gonna test out my new GoPro. I'm still here. going back down. Holy shit! Holy crap! That's not how I was expecting to fall.
You see that guy come flying by you?
Yeah.
Was that on still?
Yeah. He was going so fast.
Let's go.
Okay.
You okay? Are you alright?
Oh my god! Went over that hill.
What did you do?
I gotta get my speed.
I don't know what he did. He exploded though. You okay?
I went over that top hill, right on the corner, and then hit the bump going so fast. Okay, so I don't know if it was on video, but I spiffed so hard.
It should be.
Yeah, it should be. Unless I was you were between me and the fall. But it was intense. Now we're going back up a smaller lift. Now we're taking a hot tub break. We'll hit the streets. For the last like 3 hours, I've been trying to figure out how to do the video of the camera that you might have just seen, you might not have just seen, but it takes a long time and the file size is huge. But now we're walking, we already ate some food, kind of have the hiccups, and we're walking to some stores. We're going back into the store we went into yesterday, empty-handed, but we might come out handed, we don't know. We're handed and shouldered. So I didn't video anymore yesterday, but we just kind of chilled out and edited video, and now it's the next day. We're gonna go skiing again. I'm pretty like sore, like my neck, and my like right side from that fall, but it's all good. Done with the shower. Now we're headed out. Right now we're at the very top of the mountain. I'm gonna start the stopwatch, see how long it takes to get from right here to the hot tub. Ready, set, go. We just made it to the bottom. 12 minutes, 37 seconds.
How long? 12? That's a long time.
there. We're at 21 minutes, 28 seconds. God, it's so bright out. We got 27 minutes, 28 seconds. Now we're packing up and then we're gonna leave. So, see you later. See ya.
When I tell a bit peace, love is love. Love is love.